Hi there, everyone. It's Nick here once again from TrainAid, and in today's video, we are looking at the Level 4 Certificate in Education Training, and this is Unit 6. We are looking at inclusive practice. So in today's video, we are looking at the key term of physical factors, and this is one factor which we have to consider when creating an inclusive teaching and learning environment. But what are physical factors? So this very much means two things. It's all to do with the classroom environment, but also the learner's health as well and their physical makeup. So we're going to have a look at the different factors. So physical factors are the classroom environment, the classroom layout, the temperature of the room, lighting, any external background noise as well. So all of these factors make it really an important factor really with keeping the attention of the group members as well. Furthermore, this factor is all to do with the learner's health, their well-being, in terms of their background, things such as nutrition, are they fully alert or are they hungry, things to do with their background, whether it's sleep, rest, are they well rested for the teaching that particular day, their physical fitness as well, any particular physical disabilities. So we have to think about, of course, accessibility. Can learners access the training room as well there? So it's all to do, as mentioned, the physical factors refer to, of course, the teaching environment and also the learner's physical health and well-being. So it's all to do with that. So as a teacher and trainer, we can do things such as obviously doing a risk assessment of the training environment before we go in there. So checking for things like loose wires, cables, being able to monitor the temperature of the room, making sure that if there's other classrooms going on around, hopefully there's no sort of clash in terms of external noise that can lead to learners becoming sort of disengaged from the taught content as well. In regards to the learner as well, it all sort of depends upon initial assessment once again. So speaking to the learner about how we can support them in terms of accessibility, accessing the content, and really just finding out really about the learner's background. Can we offer any sort of external help, support and advice as well? Perhaps we could signpost them to a specialist or supporter if it's something to do with their perhaps personal health, because we're not qualified to give advice there. But I think in terms of ourselves, what factors we can do is certainly we can make the training room nice, a friendly environment, but also making sure it's fit for purpose, making sure there's enough resources there, making sure it's clean, tidy, and ready to learn in, essentially. So those things I think are key. Once again, I think signposting comes into here with the learner. So if you notice something regarding their health, you're concerned for them, we can signpost them to a professional who can support them further as well. But that's very much it for the physical factors. It's all to do with the learner's physical makeup and also the classroom environment. So very much a paragraph really summarizing what physical factors mean, and if there are any ways in which you employ to support the physical factors, please do describe that within there. Yes, we're looking forward to reading your answers as well. Any comments, any advice, please do put within the comments there. So thank you for watching.